Good afternoon. This is Charlotte.
And Linda.
And she's had a very good day. And she's ready to get in her night clothes. Aren't you, baby? Oh, she is such a happy baby. Aren't you, baby? Yeah. Oh, yes, she's active, baby. You ready to get your night clothes on, darling? You ready to put your night clothes on? Okay. She eats good. She's napped with Linda and I. She has slept. She has done really, really well, hasn't she, Linda?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's such a sweet baby. Look at the little socks. They have a little butterfly on them. They're so cute. And we've had a good day here today. Look here. Look at those little feet. Just let me show you the little foot. How precious. Little knees. Oh, I love a floppy baby. She's so darling. Yes, she's so darling. But she has a pretty diaper on. It's a beautiful little diaper. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah, that's a pretty diaper. Very pretty diaper. So, we have just enjoyed having her. She is to us. Yes, it's clean your little bottom, darling. Yeah, clean your little bottom. Good girl. Good girl. Now, let's put this one on. First you have a flower one, then you have this little plaid one that's orange. And we are ready for summer. Oh, look, Kim signed it with her heart. Okay, and a heart. How sweet is that? That's precious. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. She's a little girl. She's like perfect newborn size. So she'll be easy to dress. She's not in between like some are. And she was made by Nightowlnursery. Her Aunt Kim made her. And reborn her. Yes, she did. Okay. There we go, darling girl. Oh my goodness. She's such a sweetie. She's watching the ceiling fan.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like that ceiling fan, Kimberly? Do you? Maybe I should make her second name Kimberly Chloe.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Chloe just came to my mind. Yeah, it did. So we just don't know right yet. I didn't put powder on her because I don't want to put too much unless she just really needs it. And she's fine right now. So we're not going to put it because I don't want to have to breathe. It's kind of hard on the lungs. Yeah, it is. So we'll just leave that off today. All right. And we have two pretty sleepers that Kim sent us, but Linda decided that she wanted to put this one on her.
That's so pretty.
Yes, with the little owls. And little ruffles in the bun. Good girl. See, she just eats really good. She just takes the bottle right off the bat. She's eating good. Now, she ate about 2 ounces earlier, so she may not take this whole bottle this time. Then we'll probably have to get up with her about 10 or so and feed her again. Oh, she's doing real good. Okay, darling. Is that good? Is that all you want? Do you want to burp a little bit? That's a good girl. Oh my goodness. That's a good girl. That is so good. You burped loud. Let's get you nice and comfy here. With your owl. Yeah. Now, there we go. Here's your bottle, Linda. Give the bottle to Linda. Now, thank you. We'll cover you up with your pretty owl blanket. It's got the pretty little owls on it. Now. And we'll put the pacifier on you. Now. Okay. And there's our baby. Ready for night-night. Kimberly Hayden. She's ready for her first night here with us in West Texas. She's got her owl lovey and her little pacifier, and she's really sleepy. So we're going to all say bye-bye from West Texas. Y'all have a great night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.